So my question is, where is linear dodge blend mode in Affinity Photo? Now every blend mode is important and used on every different work purpose. But if you go to Affinity Photo and check all the blend modes from here, you will get darken, multiply, color burn, and so on, rest all those blend modes. But there is no linear dodge blend mode. You can find linear burn, linear color are available. So where is linear dodge blend mode? Now if we go to our elder brother house, means Photoshop, and check the blend modes, here we can get almost same blend modes, and here Photoshop have linear dodge blend mode. Note, in bracket, add. Again go to Affinity Photo and check again all their blend modes. Now here you can get a blend mode called add. So this add is the same function like linear dodge. Photoshop using the word linear dodge bracket add, and Affinity Photo using only word add. So change my emotion because I find it the add mode does the same work as linear dodge. So if the question remains, where is linear dodge blend mode in Affinity Photo? Answer is add mode is the linear dodge in Affinity Photo.